Hi friends, Epigram is back with Dreamcatcher and Feather DIY. Do have a look and enjoy the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Epigram Vlogs. Have you ever thought of making feather with the help of the ribbon? So here there is a beautiful DIY. Let's get started. Wool, embroidery thread, ring, fevicol. First off, we are going to wrap up the ring in our desired yarn. You are going to choose any color you like. Tie a knot so it stays in place. And then you wrap your round around through and cover entire ring. Add some glue so the yarn remains intact. After finishing wrapping, tie yarn and cut the string. The next part is I'm going to grab the white yarn. Tie the thread tight. We are creating octagonal shape, so we need 8 sides. Make sure to have a loop the way I am holding the ring as well as the string. Create the loop in the similar way as I have showed. If you are unsure of 8 sides, you can first mark with the help of pencil or any color in a lighter shade. Then start working on the string. We have reached the end of the loop. Count again to confirm 8 sides so it looks and turns out to be prettier. Start looping again on the thread the way I have indicated with the help of the finger. Keep repeating this process till you reach the end. For feather making, I will be using ribbon. Cut the edges and start removing small threads from the cut side of the edges. Repeat this process till you get the fur look. Similarly, I will doing this with the same ribbon. Take a string, add some bits, knot the thread, start gluing the fur which we have created. Let's take the other portion of the fur and our beautiful feather is ready. For more decoration purpose, we are adding few more bits again. In the similar way, we have created 3 more feathers for our dream catcher. Tie the feathers we have made. Start pasting bits on all the ends. It's completely optional. You can opt this out if you feel like. Now take a small thread, tie it for the hanging purpose. Here I am sticking this small pretty flower in the center. It's completely optional. And now take a white paint, even this is completely optional, and paint the edges to make it look more shaded and aesthetically beautiful. If you are painting, make sure you paint both the sides of the feathers. Also, you can trim the feathers to make it more look alike feather. Here I am not doing so. I am slightly shading the string. Again, it is completely optional. Here our beautiful mini dream catcher DIY is ready. Hope you liked it. Please do not forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you soon.